Exploring the ocean. It begins with a more precise measurement. We specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of marine instrumentation. We remain driven by technological innovation and underpinned by rigorous quality management. Committed to delivering professional products and solutions for marine environmental monitoring, scientific surveys, and ocean engineering. We continuously refine our R&D system and strengthen our independent innovation capabilities. R&D is the driving force behind our sustainable growth. With well-equipped testing facilities, we rigorously validate every product, ensuring every performance specification meets real-world application requirements. We continuously optimize product design to enhance stability and reliability. From component assembly to final commissioning, we consistently strive for perfection, ensuring every unit is delivered with proven stability and reliability, ensuring every observation is built on a reliable data foundation, providing more professional technical support for every observation. Expertise you can trust, quality you can rely on. Rulin Technology, exploring the future of the ocean together with you.